Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making Chicken Alfredo. Now this fancy sounding dish is super simple and super fast to make. You simply want to start by dicing up some chicken breast or thigh and adding to a hot pan with some melted butter. And then you want to season it with some salt, pepper, basil, oregano, just general Italian herbs. Dried is completely fine, but fresh is better as always. Then you want to cook for 8 to 10 minutes until fully cooked and browned slightly, and then remove from the pan and set to one side. Next, you want to make a roux by melting 2 tablespoons of butter and adding in 3 tablespoons of flour and mixing to make a dough. Now if you made a roux before, this is fairly straightforward. And then you want to cook this through for around 30 seconds to a minute, and then pour in 500 ml of milk or 250 ml of milk and 250 ml of cream, and then whisk until the sauce thickens. Now if you are having problems getting your sauce to thicken, you can just take your eyes off it for around 10 to 20 seconds and you will have a super thick lumpy cement like mix, so there is also that option if you do have some issues. Now once again, you want to season your sauce with some salt, pepper and same herbs. And then maybe even some paprika, smoked paprika, something like that, just to add a little extra level of flavour. And then whisk well and then sprinkle over 50 to 100 grams of parmesan cheese, depending on how cheesy you want your sauce to be, and then stir until fully melted. Now the cheese will also act as a thickener for the sauce too. Then add your chicken back into the sauce. Optionally you can add in a can of sweet corn too to offset the cheese and the cream. But chicken and sweet corn do just generally go really well together, and it adds a nice touch as well. And then just give a good mix to coat the chicken and the corn. Next you want to cook some fresh egg pasta in boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes and then add to the sauce. Now if you want to use dried pasta, you are of course going to have to cook this at the very start and then give the whole thing a mix to bring it all together. Then you can top with some extra cheese to, counter the sweet corn again. And then if you have one, grate some cured egg yolks over the top. I will be showing how to make these in a later video. And then serve and enjoy. And there you have it, a Chicken Alfredo. Now as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content. Now my work will get a bit calmer next week, so expect longer videos coming back, and including my first fermentation project of the year. I think it is getting close to being finished now. And I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.